What's going on, YouTube? Showing you guys my finished AR. Had it Cerakoted red and had some parts done in red digi camo. Had a Noveske Pig permanently welded on because it is a 14.5-inch barrel, so now it's legal. Pistol grip, mags, buttstock, hand guards, forward assist grip, Noveske K9, Surefire Scout light, Knight's Armament micro flip up sights, front and rear. Little cheap BCA Red Dot. Zombie Hunter or Zombie Lower. It's a Bravo Company upper. 14.5, like I said. Favorite part, I have a Valkyrie tactical skull magazine release button. I had the eyes painted green to go with the zombie theme that I'm doing with this gun. It's got a Gunfighter Mod 3 charging handle. I'll show you guys something real quick. BCM bolt carrier group, as well as a Zombie Hunter dust cover. Gun turned out badass, better than I expected it to. Show you guys a better view. Sorry for the crappy quality. I'm using my Evo 3D phone. Gonna get a better camera soon, but should do for now. Real quick before I forget, started up my next build. Here's the upper to Daniel Defense A4 upper receiver, and what I am building next is see if you guys can see this. That's right, 300 blackout. Hopefully I'll be done in a month, maybe a little bit sooner. But who knows? Got a lot of overtime. See this? Zombie Hunter. Zombie Hunter pistol grip.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.